I'm a scat man.
Yeah.
I'm a scat man.
What's going on? Nothing really. It's just a weekly review. So this is the tracking for week 4. This is where week 4 ended up. That was 2 weeks ago. So you can see the vast majority of the class are smashing out every single individual bit of work to a very high standard, and it is a delight to see. So really, guys, I'm very impressed. And we've only got 1 more week now until the end of this half term. Then you can have a much deserved break. So let's go to some highlights. Right. So it's very strange this, because this is Eddie's attempt of question 6 in last week's KPI, and he actually got this wrong. But what I loved was the fact that he looked at the question and he thought, hold on a second. A has 12 sides and exterior angle 8A. That's a connection, mate. And he's thought to himself, connection between 2 or more things? Box method. What do we look for? Up, down, side to side. If that fails, middleman, think HCF. And he's gone for it. Now, unfortunately, Eddie's gone wrong in one fundamental way, which is actually the more sides that a shape has, the smaller each exterior angle will be. The bigger the interior angle will be, but the smaller the exterior angle will be. So his thinking about there being a connection was correct, but it's actually something called an inverse connection. These things are inversely proportional to each other. And so what would have happened if this was divide by 2 is this would have been timesing by 2, and that would have got you the answer of 24 sides. Now, I didn't actually think of it doing it that way, which is why I was so impressed with Eddie's thinking, even if his execution was not quite right. But really good to see Eddie thinking outside of the box about how he can use the box method, and yeah, really good to see. So that was actually a highlight, even though he was wrong. Second highlight, well, if you look back at the week, you might have seen that Ren has not been having the best time in home learning. He's not really been on top of things. However, this week or last week, Ren stepped up. Lesson 1, boom, notes, lovely notes on his purple pen notes. 100% in the Hegarty quiz. Lesson 2, boom, notes, very clear examples. 100% Hegarty quiz. Lesson 3, boom, notes, there it is again, 100% in the quiz. Lesson 4, smashes it out. And look, he's even put this, like, I really like this kind of thinking with the little addition in the purple pen. If you divide by n, it equals 1 interior angle if it's a regular shape, which he actually forgot to put. But I like the thinking there. Boom, 100%. Ren has absolutely smashed it. And I'm really impressed to see him how he's turned it around. So well done you, Ren. Now, the last thing I want to talk about, guys, is something called the feedback loop. Now, what's happening at the moment is you're sending me work, and I am marking it. That photo. That was at the beginning of lockdown 1 when I was trying to grow a beard. It's actually what you find if you Google my name, which is very annoying. I then give it back to you, marked, and I say, go and watch the video and do some feedback. And what I want to happen is you go watch the video and you do some feedback and you write down in purple pen any top tips. So, for example, this person has done that. This is from my year 10 class. And then you send it back to me and I am happy. And then I send you some more work, set you some more work. And you can see this loop continues. Now, at the moment, what's happening with quite a lot of you is I set you some work, you send it to me, I mark it, I give you some feedback, and nothing's happening. Why is nothing happening? So I don't know with a lot of you whether or not you're learning from your feedback. So it's very important that you send me photos of your purple penning so that I can see that my feedback is helping. So that's the aim for this week, for everyone to be hitting the same standards as the top people in the class already are. So all that's it really. Good luck with this week's learning. Bye bye.